Are you thinking about coating your garage floor, outdoor patio, pool deck, or any concrete surface around your house? Have you ever thought, can I do this myself, or should I hire a professional? Well, if you're thinking about hiring a professional, you're probably wondering what some of the pros and cons are. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video today. Hi, I'm Rebecca from the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're going to sit down with Steve from Southwest Exteriors to talk all about the pros and cons of a professional concrete coating. At Southwest Exteriors, they specialize in polyurea concrete coating specifically. Now, polyurea is one of the most durable and long-lasting concrete coatings out there, but it must be installed correctly. And Steve knows all about the ins and outs of a professional concrete coating installation. So let's throw it over to Steve.
Hi, I'm Steve McNary. Today we're going to talk about the pros and the cons of a professional concrete coating installation so you can make the best decision for your project. First, more custom design options are available. When coating your garage floor yourself, there are limited solid color options for you to choose from. A professional contractor offers different finishes, patterns, different colored flakes, and designs for your garage, and some can even do custom logos. Second, the quality of the product and installation. Industrial coating products used by professionals are of higher quality than a DIY kit than you can buy at a hardware store. A professional contractor is a professional for a reason. Installers are trained to follow best practices to apply the coatings carefully and properly. A high quality product combined with a high quality installation will ensure the success of your project. Third, the longevity of the coating. As a professional coating contractor will apply the concrete coating at a high level, it is going to last longer than a DIY coating. With any home improvement project, you want to only have to pay for something once and for it to be done right the first time. Hiring a professional concrete contractor for your project may be more expensive, but you will only have to go through it one time. Fourth, warranty of your coating. When you hire a professional contractor for your project, your new garage floor coating will be backed by the product and contractor's warranty. Most manufacturers will offer a replacement coating or refund or come out and redo the work if anything happens under the defined terms of the warranty. A high quality contractor will also back up their installation with a warranty, meaning they will cover the cost to reinstall the coating if the damage is warranted. With the DIY coating, there's no contractor to fix the damage. That's you, and you're left to pay for the replacement. Cons of a professional garage floor coating. First, it costs more. A professional garage floor coating is going to cost you more than if you were to do it yourself. You're looking to pay around $2,000 or more for a single car garage, including installation and labor. While the quality of the product and installation will be higher with a professional, the cost may be a make or break for you. It can take longer than just doing it yourself. When working with a professional, you're not the only client. You may have to have multiple appointments, have technical measurements taken, wait for products to be ordered, and the installation day to come around. It can be hard to find a trustworthy contractor. The home remodeling industry can be tricky to navigate. It's hard to find a contractor that wants the best for you. With all the different contractors out there, how can you choose one? Sometimes it can be overwhelming and not seem worth it. However, if you know what to look for, finding the right contractor doesn't have to be so scary. It all depends on how much time you're willing to spend to find the right one.
Now that you know the pros and cons of a professional concrete coating installation, you can decide whether or not this is the right option for you. Now, if you are interested in working with a professional contractor, it's important that you ask the right questions so you have all the information you need for your project. In the description below, we have linked an article that lists out all the questions you need to ask a concrete coating contractor during a consultation so that you can avoid a potential blindside. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. Want more home solutions? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you.